We are doing an unboxing together. We are here to do an unboxing together. Let's see what's in there.
Oh, how pretty!
Ooh, here we go.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh gosh, I have so many places for that.
Oh my gosh, look how pretty these colors are. Look how pretty.
Comes with instructions.
It does.
See this? This is fun packaging.
Okay, we'll go here.
I don't know where to start. There's so many fun packages.
Hang me on your handmade wall art.
Hang me on your homemade wall art.
Hang me on your handmade wall art.
Oh, I love that.
Steel tin roof. Rusted.
Nice.
Oh, what do we do next?
Oh, how fun are these?
Ooh.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I see something on the bottom.
Ooh.
I love the tray.
Is it a bonus tray?
I've never seen one like that.
Look how fun. That is gorgeous.
Yay.
It's like Christmas.
Yes.
Christmas after Christmas.
This is so fun.
I love the wood. Use me daily to stir your favorite drink or
Simply display beauty in your kitchen.
How pretty is that?
Ooh.
Fancy little spoon.
Fancy. So these are beautiful.
I was even thinking like a little cocktail.
Yes.
My chocolate martini.
Yes.
Ooh.
He's a yummy guy.
He is a yummy guy.
My husband does not think that we need any other pillows, but I disagree.
And I love the color because
Yes, it can go anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Mommy, I found something.
Oh,
I love it. I love everything.
oh, beautiful. Look.
Oh, it's so pretty too.
More than I expected. And
Good.
I just love all the different things that could be put anywhere in the house.
Yay, Miss Tori.
And guess what? I would never ever buy any of this on my own.
Oh, that's the best part.
But yet, when it's bundled up like all of this, it's amazing.
Look at all these little details, all these little tapes and tags. I love it all.
Every penny is worth it.
Oh, yay.
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yay.
Yay, thank you for doing
course.
an unboxing for us.
So thank you so much.
Thanks for trusting me.
That concludes the box.
It looks like a sandwich.
There's no food in your box. There will never be food in your box.
On TikTok. Everyone needs to go to TikTok and watch your
Yes, living
stories.
beyond ordinary. So silly.
I can't wait.
This is the best day of Mommy's life.